Greetings and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a flyer, and we are basically going to look at a restaurant. Of course, that means we are going to design a simple menu, yes, of any given restaurant. Now, let's first have this landscape. Okay, let's change this landscape. Yes, we are going to have a simple menu. And in this video, these are some of the materials that we like to use for our restaurant menu. Yes, these are a few materials that we shall be using to design this simple flyer. We are using Microsoft Publisher to design this document. Yes, let's definitely begin. I would love to thank whoever has taken the initiative to subscribe, to share, to like and comment onto the channel. Let's definitely begin this together. Yes. Now simply, we shall come to insert, then we shall have this text box. Okay, let's have the text box. We are making it so simple, yes, that everyone can make it on his or her own. Yes, so we are going to have 3 chambers, 3 columns for our menu, and we shall have a variety of foods onto this. So after having this text box, okay, we shall go ahead and look for the shapes, and we get a simple shape here. Let's have this. We drag it down here. We shall change it. Something of the kind. Continue to make it. We first make a simple layout of our outlook for the menu. Okay, and is to look something like that. So we come and give this a fill up, something of the kind. Then we also give this simple shape we have inserted. We give it that orange. Okay, and try to move it. To this level. Yes, we have this simple layout. Now we are using this to design our simple menu. Now we shall move further, and we shall have more features to put here. We can drag up this to this level, then push this out, something of the kind. Yes, to that level. Can give it a color as well. Can give it a color green. Let's give it that color green. We can still borrow it somewhere here. We take up this outside, then try to push up this out. These are simple layouts of our menu flyer. Okay, now we can definitely begin to compute in to insert the images and related images. Yes, we shall go to insert, go to pictures, then we roll out. Okay, we shall roll out onto the folder where our images are. We have the logos here. You can look at it. can insert this logo here. So this is our logo. Okay, we are going to insert our logo. Yes, we shall be inserting our logo. So we shall come to insert, then come to pictures. Okay, we'll look for our folder, the food menu, then we definitely insert our logo somewhere here. I think it is visible enough. Okay, we can give it a simple picture, or we leave it as it is. However, yes, you can add more images. Let's try to compute here. This is the restaurant menu. We use this word art, and you say in the capital letters. Okay, this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant menu. We increase on the font of this, the bold. Okay, and can keep the font red, something of the kind. Then we make a menu visible enough. Yes, we can try upload restaurant menu as well as this. Yes, it is very okay. You can try to align it. Okay, something of the kind. We align it as well. So this is the restaurant menu. Okay, then we can try to insert in some of pictures here according to the materials we are given. We can bring in this chicken here. We insert it here. Okay, at that level it is very okay. And try to move up with this here, something of the kind. Then we bring the restaurant menu at that level so that this can fit, something of the kind. We still insert something unique here. Can bring this, then you try to give it that size. Okay, around there. We try to bring in the address. Okay, the contact. We can keep the word art. Okay, we talk about this is 0756109260. This is the contact of the restaurant. Okay, can give it that size. We can leave it. We can give it black. Let me see. It's okay. Can give it black. And from here, we try to push this. Then we insert something. Okay. Come to pictures. We try to insert something here. Something unique. Let me see. Let's keep this somewhere like here. Okay, come to this shape, the format shape. Then you can still go ahead and insert something. Order. Okay, order now. Order now. You can make your order. Try to board up this. Keep it Italy. sharp this. Try to increase on its font. You can give it a background color. You can give it this kinder. You can keep it white. Keep its font white. You're trying to design a simple. Flyer of the restaurant. Okay, this is the menu. We're trying to design up here. You can align it that level. Okay, yes, it is okay. So we have the logo, the restaurant menu. We have our chicken here. This image is here. Order now, the contact. So far we have it. Okay, yes, we move on with our flyer. Okay, you can try to insert more images because you have so many images. We can add these tomatoes here. Yes, maybe indicate them as one of the layouts of our flyer. I think that level is cool. Then you can format it. Let's try to format it. Okay, to that level. I think it will look so beautiful indeed. Yes, let's move on with our simple designs. Okay, we can bring in this around here. We'll look at the appetizers, the dessert. We're going to look at the beverages. We shall see the main course. Yes, we're going to see a lot here. And now let's have the appetizer. Okay, let's have the appetizers. The appetizer here. Increase on its size. Okay, we can bold it, and we can keep it white. Okay, let's keep it white because we are going to make this. We are giving this a color. Let's give it red. Let's give this red. Okay, that level. Then definitely we shall align it. Yes. However, yes, something of the kind is okay. Hope it is okay. Let me try to increase it here. I want it to be very visible. Okay. That is the appetizer. Yes, you have something of the kind. Now let's look at them. Okay, let's insert one of the appetizers. We have the egg salads. Okay, the egg salad is here. You can have it as well. We change its format. Let's change its format. I think that is okay. Let me see better format here. Can you move with this? Okay, this is better. You can move with this. This is the salad, the egg salad. Okay, we can include more. We can include the, let me see. We have, yes, this avocado taste is a salad. Yes, this is a salad as well. The salad, you can change it. Something like, yes, this is a salad. Yes. This is the salad. We also have what else I saw in. Yes, this is the bruschetta is also a salad. This is also a salad. We see if the space will be enough for us down here. It will be enough. You try to also rotate it to that level. Try to balance it. Something like push this as well. Now let's write something about them shortly here. Okay. Then we shall be beginning with the egg salad, because here we shall be including also the name of the recipes plus their costs, something of the kind. Now this is of course the egg salad. Okay, this is the egg salad. More about it, of course, we may say the recipes. You talk about the egg, made up of the egg. Can talk about the cucumber, okay, and maybe the lettuce, okay, lettuce with something like maybe sesame dressing, okay. Yes, sesame dressing, something of the kind. You can leave them that. However, we try to build up this, okay, and something of the kind. Then we also talk about. We can also talk about this avocado test. This is the avocado test. We can also talk about it. This is avocado. This is the avocado test. This recipes. This is tested. Tested the bread with avocado. Okay. And the feta cheese. Something of the kind. We board up this, and you can also try to increase on its font. Let me check out this font. This is 14. Should also maintain this to 14. Okay. Then you can leave these to 10. Yes, you can leave that to 10. And let's also talk about this. This is garlic bread. Okay. This is the bruschetta. Okay. Bruschetta, and made of the garlic. Okay. This is the garlic bread with the fresh tomato. The fresh tomato, and of course the balis. Okay. We try to board up this. We give it font 14, just aligned with the rest. And from there, let's borrow this. That was the appetizer. Of course, we have to look at also the main course. Let's look at the main course first. This is the main course. Okay. The main course. You can try to align it, to italy it up. Can increase its font. Okay. As well. We keep it that level. Yes. Now let's look at the main course as well. let's look at the main course. Let me borrow this. Let's borrow this as well. Somewhere here. Just trying to make our thing beautiful. Can borrow this. Yes, and from here we can format it. Let's format it. Let me see. Is it okay? It's okay. Once formatted, then when I format this, let me see its outlook. Let me see how it looks like. Indeed, yes, it looks so good. We shall continue to use it. Now let's look at the main course. Let's insert the images for the main course. Let me see. Of course, here we have the chicken is here. Okay, this is one of the main course we may have. Let's try to beat that size. More images. Let me check out and see what other foods do we have. Yes, this salmon. Yes, this is also one of the main course we have. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. And okay. More main course, more food. We have yes, we have the beef is here. We have the beef. We have the beef. The beef is here, and on top of that, what else did I see? What else do we have? Is that all? Sure. Yes, you have the spaghetti as well. It is here. It is part. Okay. The spaghetti is also part. Yes. Let's try to increase the size of this. Maybe somewhere there as we push along this. It's something of the kind. Then try to use up this. We format this picture here. We bring also this one here. We format it here as well. Not to this level, please. Simple. Okay. Something like that is the main course. Okay. You can still talk about the foods, okay, that we have here. It is okay. Maybe we try to bring up this maybe to this level, so that you can simply okay use that. Try to push up this at this level here. We push as well. We push. Push this as well. We are trying to edit up this. to move this as well. It is okay. Yes, and now everything is becoming okay. Yes, push up this here to this level. We bring in more of our images, just like that, and as well like this. Yes, now it is becoming very okay. Yes, now let's try to simply talk about these foods. Okay, down here, and if not, you can simply bring it up, something of the kind. Then we bring this down here. Then we shall keep this spaghetti maybe out. Let's eliminate it. Okay, yes, for space let's leave it out. We talk about the chicken here. Okay, we keep it up. Then now you can just simply say here, we're looking at the main course. Of course, this is the chicken. Okay, talking about it, we simply talk about this chicken here. This is the chicken. Okay, with the BBQ sauce. Okay, and the vegetables. We try to board up this. We keep it 14. Then we move on with this. And what do we have for this? This is the beef. Okay, this is the beef. This is beef. Okay, true, this is the beef. Talking about the beef, this beef was made with some mushroom. Okay, this is the beef with mushroom soup. Yes, mushroom sauce. Keep it black. Then try to build up this, pushing it to 14, that level. And lastly, we talk about this good salmon. Okay, good salmon. Up this board up. We are keeping it 14, that level. Now after making up this, I think we can bring it back to normal. Then we also try to push back this. Thought maybe it will not fit, but it is okay. It is fitting. We are trying to fix up this here. It is okay, and that as well. That level. Which size is this? This is 22. This is 20. It is okay. Let's move with that. Let's still borrow this. Let's still borrow this side, and we are talking about the dessert. Okay, we shall be talking about the dessert from this side. Talk about the dessert from here. Yes, it is okay. And under the dessert, let's try to insert those images over the dessert. Talking about the ice cream. Yes, talk about the ice cream. Okay. Moving on with more images. What else we have? Yes, we have these fruit. These fruits under the dessert. Maybe one more image. Maybe also this. Yes, these ice cream are of different flavors. Yes, the ice cream. Then this tiramisu. This level. Yes, because we have to look at, maybe we should pick one. Okay, maybe we leave this out. Let me check and I see another image. Which other image can we include here? Yes, this is okay. We shall have these under the beverages. Yes, let's talk about these two. Let's talk about these two. Okay. We format them as well. Okay. This egg salad. Okay, I think we should maintain this shape format. Everything becomes very visible and cool. Yes, the format is okay. Pushing it to that level. Coming back to the menu, also look at its visibility. Yes, we're trying to design something very beautiful, and I think this is very okay. Let me check out this. This is how it will look like with it. It is okay. Okay, now let's talk about them briefly. We're talking about them briefly here. Okay, so these are the fruits. The fruit starts here. So these are the almond tart with the fresh fruit, okay. The fresh fruit. We bought this, we keep it 14. Like the rest. Okay. Now we proceed here. Let's also talk about these laminates. Them from here. Little laments. Talk about the portion. Okay. Portion laments here. Board, make it 14 as well. Okay, now let's look at the beverages. I think we can still use it for the beverages here. Let's have our beverages here. Beverage, trying to make it 22 and see. Yeah, it is okay. It is very cool. Can't keep it. So try to bring in the images. This is how beautiful our flyer is before even we finish it. Yeah, indeed it is looking so beautiful and nice looking. Okay. Now let's look at the beverages, and the beverages, of course, we shall look at this punch. Okay, this punch is one of the beverages. What else have I seen in the images? Yes, the chocolate and the ice cream. We shall pick one. I think we should move along with the ice cream. Then lastly, let's have one more image here. The lemon tea. Yes, plus the tea here. Plus the tea. Yes. So let's have our ice cream last here. Yes. We are having our ice cream last. Bring in our tea as well. Yes. We push it to this level. Try to have it up here. Trying to create some super space for everything. And yes. Yes. Now let's also talk about them as well. Yes. And I think when you look at our flyer for the restaurant, indeed, it is even looking more beautiful before even we finish it. Okay. Let's talk about them. Okay. Yes, this is the punch. Let's talk about it simply here. Yes, this is the fruit punch. And of course it is tea with lemon. Okay, this is fruit. This is fruit juice. Okay, with soda, water. Okay, and we'll make it 14. Okay, now let's talk about this lemon. Let's talk about the lemon tea down here. This is the lemon tea. Okay. This is tea with lemon. Okay. And maybe millet. And mint. This is the lemon. We maintain it 14. Then lastly, let's talk about this ice cream. Lastly, let's talk about the ice cream. Yes, we're talking about the ice cream. Yes, this ice cream here, I think it is strawberry. Okay. Yes, we talk about it. This is the strawberry. This is strawberry milk. Okay. And ice cream. So this is strawberry milkshake. Okay. I'll try to change that up. Strawberry milkshake here. Level, and I think everything is very clear. Okay, yes, however, let's try to use more of this. Let's continue to use more of this. We can still have it here. Okay, more of it. We can still push it. Okay, and have it here. We can have this here at that junction. Okay, so I believe and I think we are done with designing our simple flyer for the restaurant. This is the menu. Okay, we have the logo, restaurant menu, the appetizer, foods, we have them here. The desserts are here, the beverages, the main course. So we have so many foods at our restaurant. For more information or for order, you can contact us on to this number here. Okay, yes, so this is how it looks like. Okay, let me try to balance it. Yes, it will look like this. Trying to push it. Something of the kind. So this is how beautiful our menu will look like. Let's try to print it and see. Okay, because I tried to put up this. These are all designs. Okay, yes, let's try to print it and see how beautiful it will really look like. Let's make it one page. Okay, yes, this is how it is going to look like. As simple as that. Have you seen this? Okay, it is going to look like this, very beautiful. And we have the tomatoes making this design here also, and indeed we shall have a very beautiful flyer. So that's how we design a flyer. For example, we have used the menu. We have designed the menu for a certain restaurant somewhere very far. Yes, we have used the Microsoft Publisher to design up this. Thank you for watching. We meet again in the next video. Continue to subscribe to our channel for more related videos. Kindly stay blessed.